when you're a thief, you have to mind what you're doing. You're a foolish man, can't bad. Can't me if you hide the far. Me gonna left you with this.
The full story is on Peanut Dread Official. And Peanut Dread Official is on YouTube here. The link will be in the description. Go and go watch it so you can get the full context. Anyways.
Me say the man and Beck say the rampus get away. Me say them come to slaughter him. Me say then start fretting now. Cause they say me should never get away no breading. Right? Cause so much of them over 4 of them, you know. And they say, God Almighty, we know you no peace now, you know. Do you mean say he post get away man? Right? And me say me breading. And no one nigga one.
So here me ask you,
Yeah.
the man he get, the man he find out say the fuck, and never you take it?
No me did take it round and out, man. No me did take it.
I go left it with that man.
I left it with that the man we take it up and the man take it up and make the man a pass a guy in bush. Cause the road there where them walk go down a them bush in the rasta. See, I make the man see fuck man. Eh? And I plan with that 3 friends to kill me. Right? Right? And me say, hey yo. God then dep and me say, come me wasn't thief, you know man. I help me want and me know that my man and money can want buy back a farm. And you see say when you want nobody to help you, my brethren. When you try help yourself, then call the thief. And I plan to kill you. Right? And now God make me get you because God know me want the farm. And me know that not my brethren. Right? So I learn the experience, me can tell people say, when you're a thief, you have to mind what you're doing. You're a foolish man, can't bad. Can't me if you hide the far. Me gonna left you with this.
When you're stealing, you have to be careful. You have to be mindful of what you're doing. Or else you can end up like Peanut Dread. So man, they chase him. 4 man come on here that kick down in door. Full bag of crocus, bag of stone. And have hood. Wrong for that. Why for that? Sticks to beat him. Rope to hang him. Stone to stone him. So be careful when you're stealing.
No me did take it round and out, man. No me did take it.
I go left it with that man.
I left it with that the man we take it up and the man take it up and make the man a pass a guy in bush. Cause the road there where them walk go down a them bush in the rasta. See, I make the man see fuck man. Eh? And I plan with that 3 friends to kill me.